to the world weather forecast for today. In England, it is rainy. The temperature is 10 degrees above zero. In Portugal, it's sunny. In Japan, the weather is foggy. In Sweden, it's snowy. In India, it's stormy. In Australia, it is very hot. In China, the day is windy. In Egypt, it is cloudy. In the USA, it is cool and wet. In Italy, it is warm and dry. In Russia, it's cold, frosty, and freezing. The temperature is 20 degrees below zero. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.